Let's make Swiss meringue buttercream. Silky, smooth, and perfect for cakes and cupcakes. Don't worry, I'll walk you through every step. But before we start, here's a quick but important tip. Wipe down all your mixing bowls, whisks, and utensils with a bit of vinegar. Any grease or fat residue can stop your egg whites from whipping properly, so make sure everything is squeaky clean like mine. Now, let's make the meringue. I start off with 4 large egg whites and 280 grams of granulated sugar. Depending on the size of your eggs, you may need more. Combine in a heat-proof bowl. I'm using my stand mixer bowl. Place the bowl over a pot of simmering water. Whisk constantly until the sugar dissolves and the mixture reaches 70 degrees Celsius. You'll know it's ready when you rub a bit between your fingers and feel no sugar grains. I just go with the temperature. It's safer. Transfer it to your stand mixer and whip on high until you get stiff, glossy peaks. This should take about 10 minutes. The bowl should feel cool before you move on. Now add room temperature margarine followed by unsalted butter, a little at a time. I use this mix, but feel free to use just butter, but not just margarine. About 400 grams in total. Keep the mixer on medium speed. It might look soupy or curdled, that's normal. Just keep mixing and it will come together into a silky buttercream magic. After everything is combined, I change the whisk to the paddle attachment to remove all the air bubbles. I also add a little bit of vegetable shortening for extra stability. Feel free to leave this out, it doesn't affect your buttercream. Just ensure yours is melted and mixed smooth, just like mine. I noticed I had some hard uncombined butter bits, probably from not fully warm butter. So I'm going to scoop some out and melt it in the microwave. The heat from the melted buttercream will help warm the remaining bits in my bowl when I add the buttercream to the bowl. I use vanilla to flavor my buttercream. You can use whatever you like. After all additions, I let my buttercream mix on the lowest speed for 10 minutes, and that's it. Silky, not too sweet, stable perfection. Use it right away or store it in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week. Let it come back to room temperature and re-whip before using. Thanks for watching.